Hey, what is going on, guys? It's Top Gaming Tech Place here. I am back with another PS4 tutorial. So in this one we will be testing the latest Goldhen released recently by Sistro alongside the latest light loader by PS4. By the way, if you like contents like this, then please consider to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and comment down below if you have any question. So we are going to use the latest Goldhen version 2.4.B18.7 and the latest light loader. By the way, I will link everything in the description below. So we will now unzip the files. So we are looking for the latest Goldhen 2.4.18.7. So for the light loader, you have to create a folder and extract the file to that folder. You can also name the folder what you will easily remember, in case if you have too many folders on your desktop. So for the USB it must be formatted as exFAT or FAT32, or else it will not show up on your PS4. So now I will just drag and drop the Goldhen file to the root directory of my USB. It is now time for us to connect our Ethernet cable to our PS4 and PC, as well as the USB with Goldhen on it. So if you open the loader and it pops up like this, please do not change any of the settings apart from the firmware version of your console, which you need to choose the exact version of your PS4. So now if you have turned on your PS4, then go to settings and scroll to the network option and press X. Just choose LAN cable. Choose custom. Choose PPPoE. Now type anything to user ID and password. Now everything is set. Now it is time for us to run the loader. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you like content like this. Please give this video a like, also subscribe to the channel and comment down below if you have any questions.